really sucks. I hate my job.
Yeah, rough day.
Rough day at work.
Hello, Hennessey Performance fans. It's a chilly day down here in Texas. My name is Alex. As always, we're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. A very interesting matchup today. It is stock versus stock. We've got a GT500 versus a 2019 ZR1. We're very excited for both vehicles. They're both so cool, but we're gonna race them today just to do a comparison. We're doing baseline testing to make sure it's all good. So let's see what happens. Let's get right into it. I don't know about you, but I left mine in auto, and I should have put it in manual, so let's try that one more time.
That ZR1 is no slots, I always forget.
Yeah, that's right, baby.
To come back on me. If we would have gone further, you would have passed me again.
Yeah, I was reeling you in.
Mike, you want to switch?
Sure.
Immediately, just from switching seats, I can tell how much lower to the ground this car feels, and the steering is so much stiffer, which I kind of like in the track mode.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in a pickup truck now.
Big dog?
I blew it.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. We just completed our baseline testing of these two vehicles. They are running in tip-top condition. It was very interesting to see two top of their class vehicles perform against each other. Honestly, I think they're very evenly matched, which is very cool. I would be curious to see if we had a coupe ZR1, how it would fare and if there would be a difference. But either way, we have packages for both vehicles. We would love to modify either one for you guys. They both come with a warranty. And with that,
came here for the horsepower.